How does ChatGPT actually work behind the scenes? Let's find out. Say that you want to ask ChatGPT this. Write a poem about the sun. What's going to happen now is your sentence, write a poem about the sun, is going to be broken down into a bunch of numbers. We call this tokenization. Now this bunch of numbers will be passed on to a model. When it comes to ChatGPT, it would be a large language model. One point I want you to notice here is that we are only passing a bunch of numbers to the model, not words. Models would not understand words and sentences like us humans do. Now, to answer your question, the model doesn't write a full sentence all at once. The AI predicts one tiny piece of text at a time using what it just wrote to decide the next piece, so and so forth until the whole response is built. After all, you have to always keep in mind that it's only a prediction based on a bunch of numbers. Why am I saying all of this? AI tools like ChatGPT are great resources for all of us to use as assistants. In today's world, if you don't use them, we could be left behind. But whenever you are using these tools, always take a step back and remind yourself that this is only a machine learning model that responds to patterns in data, not through personal understanding. It does not understand your life the way a human does. It's not a replacement for professional help, and there's always a risk of inaccuracy. So the next time you use these tools, always be mindful of what happens behind the scenes.